How to play Gold Rush in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily select this mode. First of all, open the application. So now we're inside the game. Here on the top, you can see this play icon. Simply hit on play. So this is the place where you can select different modes. Here there are different modes that are available. So here I'm tapping on Gold Rush. So select the power-ups that you want to add into, and at last head on let's go. So what is this mode about? Basically this is a place where you can easily kill other snakes and obtain different gold. So it will be useful while buying different skins inside the game. So the game has started and now you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.